Hi guys, welcome to Complete AI Crash Course. I'm Amrit Raj and this is the only video you need to watch to understand completely the basics of AI. In today's video, I will cover the basics of AI through key AI terms that you need to know to understand any AI discussion. Also, many of you are confused about thousands of AI tools that are available in the market. I will tell you the most important AI tools that you must use in today's world. So let's get into the video. At first, let us clear something that confuses a lot of people. That is, what is the difference between AI, machine learning and deep learning? How many of you are confused about these three terms? Let me know in the comments, okay? So these terms are used interchangeably, but all of them are not the same thing, okay? They're different. So at first, artificial intelligence, guys. Artificial intelligence is a big umbrella term under which machine learning and deep learning comes, okay? It's a broader concept of machines doing tasks that normally require human intelligence. For example, decision making, reasoning, or understanding a language. These all come under artificial intelligence. Now coming to machine learning or ML, it is a subset of AI. So AI is the umbrella term. Under this comes the machine learning. This is where machines learn from data to make better decisions over time. For example, when you watch Amazon Prime or Netflix, right, it suggests you new movies to watch, okay, based on your previous watch history. Or Facebook that shows you super specific ads based on your browsing history. That's machine learning. It is understanding from your data of your usage. And thirdly, guys, deep learning. Deep learning is more advanced form of machine learning. This tech mimics how human brain works, which we call as neural networks. For example, in our brain, we have neurons, right, which make connections that helps us to think, reason, memorize, and etc. Right. So similarly, deep learning creates neural networks. Okay, it is what powers things like facial recognition, voice assistant, and even real-time language translations. Okay, it is more advanced version of machine learning. To summarize, guys, AI is the big picture. Machine learning is one way in which AI learns through data, and deep learning is the most advanced form of machine learning, where the machine forms neural networks just like the networks present in our brain. After this, now let us break down a couple of key terms that come up everywhere in the world of AI, okay? But don't worry, we will keep it very simple, okay? So number one is natural language processing, NLP. You must have heard of it, okay? This is basically AI's ability to understand, interpret, and generate human language. So when you talk to a chatbot, right, or get your emails written by AI, or even ask your phone for weather, or talking to Siri or Alexa, right? That is all NLP in action, okay? Natural language processing in action. Number two, large language models, LLMs. Okay, these are massive AI models built specifically to work with language. Okay, like writing, translating, answering questions, and even coding. Okay, so they are models specifically designed to work with language. LLMs are powered by deep learning and neural networks, and they are trained on huge sets of data. Okay, books, articles, website, you name it. Okay, they are all trained on this data. This allows them to respond pretty much to anything. Okay, you can ask anything, that you ask, ChatGPT anything, and it answers you in a way that it feels like a human is responding, right? So what are examples of these LLM? As I told you, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, these are all examples of LLM doing amazing things with language. In simple terms, NLP is a skill and LLM are the brain using that skill. Now that we have talked about NLP, let us now take a step further into some newer and more advanced AI terms, okay, that you must know. The first term is, guys, generative AI. Generative AI is exactly what it sounds like, guys. It generates stuff. Okay, we are talking about AI system that can create brand new original content. That could be text, images, music, or videos. Okay, so basically, guys, unlike traditional AI that just follows instructions or analyzes data, generative AI actually creates new things. Okay, basically it mimics human creativity. For example, ChatGPT and Claude can write new text for you. It can write scripts for you. Okay, for my script, I use ChatGPT and Claude. Okay, similarly, DALL-E or VO2 can create images and videos for you. Right, so these are built on top of LLMs and they create something very unique. So basically, whenever you give a prompt into these generative AIs, they will generate something unique. That is why we call them as generative AI. Next is, guys, agentic AI. You would have heard of agents, right? AI agents. So this is where AI gets a bit more independent. So agentic AI systems can autonomously perform tasks without you needing to guide them step by step. Okay, think of them as a super smart assistant that can plan, decide, and execute tasks on their own. Meaning you tell them do this, or you don't need to prompt them continuously. Okay, they can manage projects, they can write reports, they can send emails, they can even research competitors, book you a table in a restaurant, order groceries for you weekly. Okay, so these are all cool examples which AI agents can do. Some of the examples of AI agents are, guys, ChatGPT Operator, Google's Project Mariner, Microsoft Research and Analyst tool, which they have released recently. This is next level productivity, guys. This is like having an AI intern who actually knows what they are doing. Okay, it's like super smart assistant for you. Next, multimodality. Multimodal AI can understand multiple types of data at once. Like they can understand text, images, audio, and even video. Basically, it can read, see, and hear just like humans do. It is crazy, right? So you would have seen, Meta glasses, which can see around you and help you, guide you through the maps or help you understand some foreign language. Google also released their tool Astra, guys. Okay, so this is like AI which can see and help you in the real world. This is the kind of AI used in things like robot and autonomous vehicles. Okay, so a multimodal AI helps you to combine different inputs, and these models can get deeper understanding of their environment and can do a way more complex task. And this ability of AI to read, to see, to hear is called as multimodality. Means it can take multiple modes of input into it. So guys, here's a quick breakdown. Generative AI is the AI that creates content. Agentic AI is the AI that can act on its own. Multimodal AI is the AI that can see, hear, and understand multiple types of data at once. Now let us talk about something very interesting, AI hallucination. So basically, AI hallucination is when your AI model gives you a wrong answer. So sometimes these models give you factually incorrect answer or completely made up answer, which doesn't make any sense. Why did this happen? Because they cannot say no. And they will sound so super confident about this that you will believe them. So basically, it is your AI giving you false information, and that too so confidently that you will trust it. Okay, so always keep in your mind whenever you are using an AI that it can hallucinate, it can give you wrong answers also. Okay, so always be careful while using AI agents or AI tools because they can hallucinate, and that can cost you major losses, So now that you have understood AI hallucination, let us talk about prompt engineering. So what is prompt engineering? It is the skill of crafting clear specific instructions to get best possible response from an AI. So basically, if you can prompt better, you can reduce the AI hallucination or even make AI give you better responses. Think of it like talking to a super smart assistant, and you get better results when you ask better questions. Okay, so whether you are writing emails, generating images, or building an app with AI, your prompt is everything. You should ask and guide them properly, and you should guide them in an elaborate way so that they understand and don't make any mistake. So if you want me to make a detailed video about prompting techniques, let me know in the comments. Now that you have got a good understanding of the basic AI concepts, now let us look at some AI tools that you must be using. Okay, many of you must be feeling overwhelmed by all the AI tools out there, right? You're not alone, don't worry. Okay, from chatbots to code writing AI tools to mind-blowing image generator, it's like every day some new app or new model is being launched. Okay, so I'll help you. I'll tell you the most important AI tools that you must be using and should start using right now. Okay, so I have organized the AI tools into 4 clear categories to make your life easier. Okay, so number 1 is conversational AI tools, number 2 is coding AI tools, and number 3 is image and video generation tool, and number 4 is integrated AI tools. Okay, let's look at them one by one. So guys, the number 1 category of AI tools that you definitely need in your life is conversational AI tools. Okay, these tools let you talk to AI just like you are texting a super smart friend or a mentor. Okay, so they are like an expert consultant, and you can talk to them anytime. Whether you are typing or speaking, these tools can answer your any question. Okay, they can help you write your emails, they can make PowerPoint slides for you, they can help you prepare for interviews, they can be your business analyst to analyze your business. Okay, generally we pay thousands or lakhs of rupees to get our business idea validated from an analyst. Okay, these AI tools can do that for you at a very fraction of a cost. Okay, and I'll tell you one more even cooler thing, guys. The newer models that are being released, right, they use something called as chain of thought reasoning, which basically means instead of giving you a quick one-liner information, what these AI models do is they break down your problem. Okay, they do step-by-step thinking, okay, and give you more accurate answer. So these models are called as reasoning AI models. Okay, so there is a basic model and reasoning AI models. So whenever you are try to use reasoning AI models, they have started coming up recently in 2025 only. So the famous conversational AI tools are, guys, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, and Grok. So you should definitely use this chatbot, guys, and you can ask them anything under the roof that comes to your mind, okay, and give them a detailed prompt so that their answer is accurate. As I already told you guys, if you're a business owner, this tool can literally replace business analysts. So apart from this, guys, if you want to have a detailed, deep analysis, right, so you can use deep research mode of this conversational agent. It exists in ChatGPT, Google, Gemini, and Perplexity. So what it does is, whenever you ask a query, it browses through tons of websites and gives you a detailed, insight-packed report. So basically, it is like hiring a specialist. So guys, in my opinion, conversational AI is probably the most used category of AI tools today. And honestly, my personal favorite is ChatGPT and Claude. I use them interchangeably, and I use Gemini's deep research also. So if you haven't started using any AI tools, this is the first AI tool which you must be using. Use ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, Claude, or even Grok. Okay. Now that we have covered the conversational AI, let's move to the second most used category of AI tools, that is coding AI tools. And these days, guys, there are tools like Lovable and Replit, which can convert your ideas into fully functional app or website. People have developed fully functional apps and websites and even made money without having any technical background. Means they just prompt in the Lovable app or Replit app and it made the website or app for them. And according to the CEO of Anthropic, nearly 90% of the code in the future will be written by AI. So guys, these coding AI tools can help you write, edit, debug, and even publish code with ease. And here's the crazy part, guys. Some of them, as I already told you, don't even require you to know a programming language. Just give AI the prompt and boom, it writes the code for you. This new trend is called as vibe coding, where basically you hand over your entire coding task to an AI agent and it builds your full app from start to finish. No manual typing, no compiling error, no sweating over syntax, okay? You just describe your idea and AI makes into a real app. So guys, we are talking about full-on automation where AI brings your vision into execution. It's basically like having a development team at your disposal. So guys, if you're a developer or someone in the world of startup, you should definitely try tools like Lovable, Replit, Cursor AI, Windsurf, or V0. All these tools are amazing. Do give it a try. I personally use Lovable and Replit. So after this, guys, let's talk about AI tools for content creators. Okay, one of the most mind-blowing categories of AI tools is video and image generation tool. Okay, imagine creating stunning images or cinematic videos just by typing few prompts. So basically, these tools just take few prompts and turn it into crazy visuals. Okay, you don't need any camera, you don't need any crew, no editing skills, nothing is needed. Okay, you all must have seen, the crazy Ghibli art, right? So that is all image generated by ChatGPT 4.0. So guys, these tools should be used by all the graphic designers and marketing individuals, right? Because in future, you won't be needing a crew, as I told you already, right? You just give prompt to the AI and it will create the brochure for you, product brochure for you. It will create thumbnails for you. It will create, raw clips for you, which you can put in your videos. For example, let's say you're launching a product. You don't need to hire any models, book a venue, or bring in a camera crew. Just describe what you want and boom, AI will give you a full-on professional photo shoot, all digital, all done in minutes. And guys, some creators are even making entire short films using nothing but AI. And the results are seriously impressive, okay? You can animate old photos, swap faces, change background, or bring still images to life, all with a prompt. And here are some top tools making all this possible. Sora by OpenAI, which made the Ghibli style viral. Okay, Google's Rio 2, which is used for cinematic text to video generation. Runway for amazing video editing and VFX. Whether you are a marketer, YouTuber, designer, or just someone with a wild idea, these tools can turn your imagination into real visuals instantly. And finally, guys, let's talk about the AI tools that you might not even realize you are using. Okay, these are called as integrated AI tools. These are AI-powered features that are built right into the platform you already use every day. For example, Notion, Canva, Grammarly, Gmail, Google Docs, all have integrated AI into them. They're designed to enhance your productivity, decision-making, and efficiency without needing you to switch the tools. Think about how Gmail now finishes your sentence, or how Google Docs suggests you better wording. That's AI working quietly in the background. Another example is Notion AI. Okay, it can summarize your notes, draft your blog post, or even write a business plan for you. So many designers use Canva, right? So Canva has new AI feature that helps you generate design, write copy, and even translate. Okay, all within the same dashboard. Now talking about Grammarly's AI is also next level. It's not just fixing grammar anymore, it's rephrasing the entire paragraph to match your tone or your intent. So the beauty of integrated tool is, guys, they blend in. You don't have to open a new app or learn a new system, okay? The AI is just there in all the regular tools which you use and make your work easier and faster. So to recap, guys, the 4 major category of AI tool is conversational AI tools for chatting, writing, brainstorming and research. Number 2, coding AI tools for building apps, writing code or going full on vibe coding, okay? And number 3 is, guys, image and video generation tools for creating stunning visuals just from prompts. And finally, the 4th one, integrated tools that works quietly in the background of your favorite platforms. So guys, this brings me to the conclusion, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Share this video with your friends who want to learn AI and subscribe to our channel for more AI videos.